This is Hank for the Wildflower Bee Farm. This is a close-up of what was happening in this hive on February 9th. And you can see they're carrying, I slowed it down and I cut them together so that you can see them. They're really obsessed with cleaning out these little items. And they almost look like mites on some occasions, but they do not. So what do you think these bees are doing? And over the course of this 15-minute video, I found 7 different times when they were pulling these guys out. These little things. I mean, they're obviously obsessed with cleaning, and self-care. But I just don't know what this is. And you can see I've slowed it down as much as I can by maintaining the visual effect. So if you have any ideas, post it. If this is Instagram or on our YouTube site, put your comments in. You can see this is a real close-up. I don't know what that is. If you have any ideas, let me know. It's about a 2-minute video. This is Hank from the Wildflower Bee Farm. Have a great day.